Hi student, this is the third tips. This is the holistic process. See, I'm in this nature in the forest. I'm giving you some tips of the communicative English. Welcome to my channel, English Sphres, and all the tips are coming in a series. Okay. Third tip is talk to yourself. You have to talk to yourself because you may not get someone who can give you time for conversation. Close the door and start to talk to yourself, whatever you know. Don't go for translation, and it will help you, give you confidence, because there is none and there will be none to criticize you initially. So you will not be shaky. Whatever it comes, whatever you know English, start from the beginning and talk to yourself. Okay? You will be your listener. You don't need correction, because first you have to increase the speed of English, communicative English. You know, it's one of the effective ways to carry on the process of the communicative English. Bye. Talk to yourself. Have a nice time. I'll come with another tips.